Hey guys, welcome back. So today I'm coming at you with something that screams summer excellence. I'm going to be showing you how to make the classic tomato pie. So yeah, tomato pie, this summer sensation is perfect for parties or if you're prepping for the week. It combines the acidity of heirloom tomatoes with cheese and mayo. It is absolutely delicious, and I am looking forward to showing you how to do it. Let's get started. All right, we have our heirloom tomatoes. We are just going to slice them up to about a quarter to a half inch thickness. And we only need about just about 6 slices maybe. So. Okay, now we are going to salt our tomatoes. And this is a very important step. So the biggest enemy of this tomato pie is moisture. So by salting them and letting them sit for 20 minutes, we draw out all the moisture from the tomatoes, and then we're just going to pat them dry. And that way, when we throw this in the oven, the crust won't get all soggy and nasty and crap. So, all right, we're just going to set this aside for 20 minutes, let science do its thing. Okay, so now we're just going to slice up about a tablespoon of fresh basil. We're also going to dice up a tablespoon worth of parsley. We're going to grate up about a cup of shredded sharp cheddar. All right, let's address our pie crust. I have 2 cups of flour, and to that I've added a teaspoon of salt and 2 teaspoons of baking powder. So I'm just going to give that a mix. We are then going to go down with a cup of unsalted butter, which is 2 sticks worth, and we've cut them into cubes. We're just going to add that to our flour mixture. Okay, so all we're going to do now is just mash that butter into the flour until it's nice and crumbled. Next, we're going to go in with 2 tablespoons of buttermilk. Then we're just going to mix everything together. All right, so now we're going to add our pie dough to a 9-inch tart pan. Okay, so we've patted our tomatoes dry. We're just going to add that to our pie crust. Next, we're going down with a cup of shredded cheddar. I grated this up earlier. Now I've got a cup of mayo, and I've added our parsley and our basil to that. So I'm just going to add that. Just spread that on top. Now we're just going to throw this into a preheated 375-degree oven to bake for about 30 to 35 minutes. So. And there we are after 30 minutes. We're just going to let the pie cool. All right, let's slice this up. And there we have a classic tomato pie. I hope you give this a try, and I will see you next time. Mm.